Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use text animations on the Alight Motion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on this plus icon down below. Tap on project, click on create a project, tap on the X button in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on the plus icon down below on the right side, click on template in the middle, which is the fifth option, then click on discover more templates down below on the left side corner, and then click on the second option, text animations. So here you can choose from the options. If you want to download any of these, tap on the download button in the upper right corner of the selected text animation, click on import, and in a few seconds it will be imported. You will be redirected to your project. Here is the verifying link in a few seconds, and then it will be inserted to your project and you can use it in your project. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.